Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to navigate Cloudingo's help resources. In this video, we will guide you through the Cloudingo knowledge base site. You will learn how to find helpful resources, locate answers, and follow a structured learning path to master Cloudingo's features. To access Cloudingo's help site, navigate to help.cloudingo.com. Bookmark this page for easy access to answers, whether you have a basic question or need help with complex features. You can search for topics by keyword or browse by popular topics. Select a category from the main help page to find the information you need. On the left side, you will see a tree view menu. Topics are organized in the recommended training order, making it easy to follow along as you learn about Cloudingo for Salesforce, Marketo, or explore other options like contact support and release updates. Click the arrow to expand any topic and access related subtopics. These mirror Cloudingo's menu layout, so navigating topics here should feel familiar. Each article has a table of contents on the right to help you jump to specific sections. Many articles also contain short training videos, so make sure to check those out for visual guidance. We recommend starting with the navigation article and video to get familiar with the basics. Next, move through the filter basics. Use the What is Next option to jump to the next recommended article. We will walk you through the filters and rules sections to build a strong foundation. Once you have covered the basics, explore advanced topics like dedupe convert, mass convert, data maintenance tools, import, find data, and more. Learning these tools will make your deduplication process even more effective. For web service, callback, or Marketo integration, switch from the main Help Center to the Developers Help Center to access those specialized topics. Cloudingo offers different license levels, so some features may vary based on your plan. If you are interested in additional features, reach out to your account representative or email contact@cloudingo.com. Thanks for joining our Cloudingo Knowledge Base tutorial. We hope this video helps you easily navigate the site and find everything you need to make the most out of Cloudingo.